Well, I want to go straight into a demonstration, but the main thing is, what I want you to leave here with is the speed and ease of use of FastPass. If there's anything else, there's going to be a lot of bells and whistles you see here, a lot of the value added to our solution. But the most important thing, once again, is speed and ease of use. So now what I want to do is show you a demonstration. I'm going to process myself in as a visitor. I'm going to do it quickly, as I said, because I want to show you the speed, and then I'll explain all the meaningful steps I did in the streamlined process. Person comes up. I just took my picture. I now take a photo of my ID. It has focused. I'm now populating the fields, eliminating the need for manual entry, and click print. So now in that 10-second time frame, I now have a photo ID pass, making everyone in your facility, in your school, in your hospital, a security officer. They can see this is me. I didn't just find this on the ground. Where I'm going, today's date. But more than that happened. In that 10 seconds, my name was checked against a list of undesirables that you would have created. Terminated employees, vendors you don't want here. Maybe there's restraining orders or custodial issues you have against boyfriends or spouses of employees, as well as external watch lists, such as clerk of courts or sexual predator offender watch lists. So all this is happening in a very benign, non-invasive process, and yet once again, it's very meaningful. So let me go it over slowly, because as I said, I wanted to show you the speed. Person comes up, you take their picture. This is a keyboard mouse controlled camera. Any fine tuning, you just use the mouse and take care of that. In this case, take my picture. Now I scan up, offers you the versatility if a person does not have technology that can be read for the next step on the ID, that at least you're taking a photo of their ID. Click accept. Now, something pretty cool happens. I'm swiping the driver's license through through this device. This works with all 50 states, Canadian driver's licenses, government IDs, and military IDs. It populates the fields, and as I said, eliminates the need for manual entry. It also parses all this information off the database, and all this information off the driver's license, and stores it in the database. And lastly, validates that it is a good driver's license. So if this was expired or fraudulent, this would have come up red. And then you click print. So you've literally clicked, swiped, clicked your way through the process. And as I said, we realize, I'm in hospitals, FastPass is in hospitals. I have senior volunteers using this, 70, 80-year-olds. So that's what I'm talking about for the ease of use. We realize that you're not necessarily going to have someone with a computer background or security background who's going to be using the system. So once again, the key is that it is easy to use and yet that it's meaningful. Okay. Once I'm in the system, I don't have to have my picture taken again. My information's stored there. So now, as a return visitor, that 10-second process is cut in half. It's 5 seconds. You literally just come up, swipe my ID, Mr. Fox, and click print. Once again, always with the face to confirm my identity, making sure I didn't lose this in the parking lot and someone else trying to come in as me. So it's there. What happens if a person doesn't have a driver's license? We're in a lot of urban environments where people don't drive, or senior citizens, a lot of hospitals in Florida where people don't drive. Well, then you just click here on the screen, return visitor. And you type in a name. I'll just type in 2 letters, see what I get. Okay, here's a Sonia Summer. So you see her face, you click accept, and you process her. Let me do it quickly for you. Return visitor, your name, miss? Sonia Summer. I visually confirm it's her. And are you still going to a classroom today? Today you're going to the 3rd floor? Great. And print. So a 5-second process, even for a return visitor without a driver's license. So once again, I just want to say, speed and ease of use, most important aspects of FastPass. It acts as a frontline deterrent, and it really eliminates the opportunity for someone to act on their ideas. So thank you.